this is Marcela. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so how I get to decide to get this bag. A few months ago, I used to have the pochette accessoire in noir multicolor, which is I used to wear a crossbody. It's a very small bag and cute. But the problem was the zipper. Every time I go shopping and I have to take my wallet out or my phone, every time zip in, zip in, out. And it's like every time I take something out, you know, I have to organize all over again because it's very small and you have to put the stuff inside everything have his place. So once I take the phone out or my wallet, everything is, so I have to put it all over again and waste my time shopping and blah, blah, blah. Anyway. I found online about this favorite NPM. I start to fall in love straight away. I said, oh my god, that's perfect bag. Plus, I love because I have a flap, so it's easy shopping. You take something in, you flap it back, and that's it. Then I try to, because I like to shop online, I'm very far away from any Louis Vuitton store. Call for availability every single day. I even what they say, I see like hours and hours and nothing changed. Then I called Louis Vuitton and I talked with a sales advisor, and she said, no, sorry, we are very small, all over Europe is very, they don't have it anyway. I said, okay, but if you have anything, please call me back. Okay, no problem. I give my phone number. And I was waiting. After another week, nothing happened. I wanted to get this bag. So I call again. And the sales advisor this time, she said, you know what, if you want the size, you can order it online. You pay it now, and in 2 max 3 weeks, you can have it. I said, yeah, but I want a PM size. And then I closed the phone. Then I was talking with my husband. I started looking on YouTube about size. I said, you know what? I think size is much better because, you know, it's still a small bag, but I can fit more stuff for my daily use. I don't like to carry a lot of stuff. So then I called back and I said, you know what? I want to buy the I understand I can buy it online and wait a little bit and 2-3 weeks and they will bring it. I said, okay. So I bought it online and they said 2-3 weeks, and today it's exactly 7 plus 3, so it's 10 days today, and I get it in the box. So I will have an unboxing day, and I'm so happy, and enjoy your watch. Bye. So this is my beautiful bag, just arrived today. Thank you for purchasing from Louis Vuitton. We use all our experience in craftsmanship to bring you this product. We hope we will entirely satisfy you. Okay. Oh, this is a receipt, I think. Client copy. Okay. Now this is, I think, a gift. A gift card, yes. Box. Okay. Okay. Let's see how I open this box. Oh, my beautiful bag. I love it. Vuitton Paris. I think it's plastic, I think, because it look a little bit like it was used, but no, this is just the plastic. Yeah, it's a bit of plastic. Okay, so inside, all you can see is a very beautiful burgundy color. Okay. And the strap. Oh, it's so small. And oh, sorry guys, my battery just died. So this is the strap. Beautiful. Okay. Inside that's the coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. Inside, okay. Oh, it's made in France. Okay. This gorgeous strap, beautiful. Okay, so this is my bag, guys. Soon I will do an what fit in my bag. So have a beautiful magnet. Okay. So this is the short strap. On my shoulder, crossbody. Oh my god, I love it. I love because it's high. I hate if it's too long. I feel like I'm a postman or like I go to school. But this one is perfect because I can have it on my hip here. I'm 5'8". So perfect. So thank you for watching, guys, and have a nice day.